All right, so a quick little audio project today. Gotta have tunes for the Oldsmobile. This car actually has a vintage Alpine system that was installed in 1987, and actually Alpine was kind of the top of the line aftermarket system back in the day, right? So what we're doing is trying to get it fully operational. I think we just simply had a couple blown speakers in the back trunk. So what I did is I went ahead and pulled them. Incidentally, pulling these pretty straightforward. GM just kind of used these tension rods here to be able to secure them, and you just got to kind of yank them out of there. You can see I already put the first Kenwood in. I'll put the second. This is the condition of the speakers. You can see that the dust covers are kind of trashed, right? And actually when I move this up and down, I can feel it, that I think that it's definitely blown. This was the guy that was causing the problem. This guy was so operational, still got the same feel. And I'm actually replacing these with Kenwood, what are these called? 415Cs. And what's interesting is that they actually look like they're made with the exact same frame as the original Alpines. Go figure. All right, more later.